Who the hell are you?
I'm Dr. Nobody. Who are you, and why are you sleeping in my office?
I'm John. No, wait, Jonathan. No, actually just John. Whatever.
All right, John. Tell me what's the problem? What brings you here?
I diagnosed myself with a mental illness using Google.
And what made you think you might be sick?
Well, it all started when I left my car keys inside my car. That's when I thought, wait, do I have Alzheimer's?
Why can't I ever have a normal day in this office? And what did you do next?
I Googled it. And turns out, yep, I'm right. I do have Alzheimer's, and I need treatment. So, I packed my things and came here for help. Maybe I should start saying my goodbyes too.
Do you always Google everything?
Yep. It really helps me gather information on everything.
Everything? Like what?
Everything, even you.
Me? Where'd you get information about me?
From YouTube. There's this channel called Alligatoons that posts your patient consultations.
Oh really? Guess I'm getting famous.
Yeah, in the worst medical advice possible category, you don't have much competition.
Wow, thanks for the encouragement. Anyway, back to the topic. Do you Google mental illnesses too?
Well, yeah. So, there's this relative of mine who has a 4-year-old kid, and the kid screams a lot. I saw him and thought, I should look this up online.
And what did you find out?
Turns out, he's autistic. But no matter how many times I told his parents, they wouldn't believe me. I don't get it, I did my research. Why won't they listen?
Oh, interesting. Hold on, let me Google something too. Wow, turns out I have cancer.
Doctor, do you think I might have autism too?
Hang on, let me check. Yep, looks like you do.